What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. It's your boy cousin here for another crypto video, guys. So first things first, whatever you're gonna see in this video is not financial advice. It's just me sharing my crypto journey with y'all, and I also bring you some news and maybe some new opportunities for new investments. Okay, so let's get right into it. So today we're gonna talk about the Galaxy Goggle. Okay, Galaxy Goggle. Okay, it's pumping. I spoke about this one a few days ago, and it's still pumping. Like I said in the beginning, my investments on my old DAOs was just 50 bucks. Okay, and yes, was it yesterday or 2 days ago? I took my profit. So I hit 400 bucks, but I didn't take profit. So the price was around 96, 90 something, and I didn't take profit. Was around here? Yeah, so it was 90. Was around here. Okay, 90. I didn't take profit, and then a few hours later I saw the price dumping. Okay, so I was like, this doesn't look good. So I sold my GG around 68 bucks or something, because it was dumping really hard. All those DAOs were dumping really hard, so I was like, maybe this one's gonna dump too. So I decided to sell all my GG. But then I saw, this uptrend right here. Okay, so I was like, okay, maybe there is a comeback. So I decided to jump in. So I took my profit and bought 50 bucks worth of GG. Okay, so let's go over to stake. And as you can see over here, so I bought 50 bucks worth of GG. Now it's worth 52 bucks. And currently now there is 2 epochs. Okay, so 2 epochs. So each epoch is 8 hours. So that means my GG will stay here on the warm-up for 2 epochs. Okay, 2 rebases. That means 16 hours. Okay, so I'm only going to be able to stake, sell, or whatever I want to do with my GG in 8 hours, in 12 hours, 16 hours time. Sorry, yeah, 16 hours time. Okay, I can always exit the warm-up, but if I exit the warm-up, I will not earn the rewards. Okay, so while the GG is here on the warm-up period, okay, I'm still going to be able to earn the rewards, as you can see down here. Okay, but yeah, guys, so let's go into more details about these DAOs, how these DAOs work. Okay, because seems like there's a lot of confusion about these DAOs. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Okay, as you can see here, this one has a super high APR, and the rebase basically means compounding. So GG, or this platform right here, auto compounds every 8 hours. So every 8 hours, it's called an epoch. Okay, so every 8 hours it will do a compound, and on the compound it says, so every 8 hours you will get 9.2135% of your stake. Okay, so and it also says the amount over here, but obviously it doesn't show because I'm on the warm-up period. Okay, but once that's done, you should be able to see how much you will earn in the next reward. Okay, so when the ROI 5-day rate is 275, which is awesome. Okay, so at the moment GG is the best. Well, from what I can see, GG is one of the best DAOs at the moment out there. Okay, because this APR is crazy. Okay, and these numbers right here, they are awesome. Okay, so I had about 400. I had about 5 GG or 4 point something GG. I sold them, and because I saw the downtrend, everybody was dumping, so I took profit. And then on the uptrend, I bought again 50 bucks entry as usual. Okay, so I'm just on the warm-up. Okay, so let's go into more details. So how to buy GG. So if you want to buy GG, you just click on here, buy GG, or get the LP. Okay, so there is a few ways to earn GG. Okay, like I did, I bought GG and staked it. Why? Because the daily ROI is 275, whereas on bonds or mint in this case, so they're only offering 57. 57 is the highest. Okay, so 57 in a 5-day period, whereas over here in the 5-day period is going to be 275. So this one over here is 5 times greater than the mint. So we will better off buying the GG and stake it straight away, instead of buying GG at discount and then and then sell it, and then sell it, and then buy GG at discount, and then stake it. I mean, okay, so as you can see, if you buy it now, so this price, so what this price means, so this price means if you mint USDC, so that means if you trade USDC for the GG, you will pay $63 for each GG. Okay, so the current price is 99.26, and if you buy it now, you will pay the price of 1 GG is worth $63. Okay, so that's 57.7% discount. Okay, so the maximum over here tells you the maximum. So the maximum GG you can buy is maximum right here. Okay, and the 5 days ROI is 57.33. Like I said, you know, because the stake it's way higher. Okay, so the stake is 275. We are better off buying the GG and stake it straight away. Okay, but you know, sometimes if the price drops, you know, usually in other platforms like Metaverse Pro, the price sometimes drops, and you know, the 5-day ROI is lower than the bond. So if when it's lower than the bond, you will be better off buying the bond because you will get a better deal. Okay, but you know, while you buying the bond, so there will be a lock-in period of 5 days, and within those 5 days you won't be able to, you know, withdraw all your staked, all your bonds or all your GG because it's locked. So you're only going to be able to withdraw a bit of it. Okay, so that's the only difference. So when you buy the bond or mint, they will be locked for 5 days. Okay, whereas stake, so stake, you can unstake yours at any time and sell it if the price is dumping. Okay, so yeah, and also they got a cool feature right here because it's the calculator. So if you're gonna calculate and estimate how much you're gonna earn in a certain amount of time, you can come over here and do that. But me, I personally don't mess with this because the price is always up and down, especially when the APR is this high. Okay, when the APR is this high, you know, the price will always go up and down. Okay, so yeah guys, it's pretty simple messing with DAOs. Okay, so you can either stake or buy or mint in this case. Okay, so mint just basically means buy GG at a discount. Okay, so whatever you see ROI over here, it's the discount you're gonna get. So if you say 63, you will get GG at the price of $63 in comparison with the current price. Okay, so well, let's go to the graph and let's see what's happening. Let's check the last 4 hours. No, it's not good. So as we can see, you know, GG has been up and down. Okay, up and down, which is expected because a lot of people are making big money. So if you go over here to the purchase, you know, a lot of people are making big money with this. All right, and the market cap at the moment is 108 mil, liquidity 17 mil, and the current price is 98 bucks. So in the last 24 hours, okay, the trading volume was 19 million. Okay, so a lot more people bought than sold. Okay, so 6,300 buys, 3,300 sales. Okay, so double. A lot more people are buying than selling. Okay, last 6 hours, again, a lot more people are buying than selling. Last hour, a lot more people are buying than selling. Last 5 minutes, a lot more people are buying than selling. Okay, so in the last 24 hours, the token increased 65%. Okay, so yeah guys, GG still popping, still going strong. That's why I'm still in G. Well, I decided to jump back into GG. Okay, so you know, I'm not gonna say it's a good entry point or not. You know, it's up to you to decide when to jump in. But the truth is, GG is popping. Okay, so GG is popping. The APR is super high. And you know, if you want to jump in, just stay close to the price chart, you know, because obviously people are buying and eventually they will dump. Okay, so a lot of people bought right now, okay, in the last hour, so they will have to wait. There is a cool down or warm up period of 16 hours, okay, so they bought 6 hours ago, so in about 10 hours a lot of people will sell their GG. So in 10 hours time, I presume that a lot of people will take profit and sell the token. So eventually when they sell the token price will go down, and then we'll go back up again because the API is still high, okay. For some reason this is not loading, and that's how it goes. And I'm just waiting for this to load. Seems like it's not gonna load anytime soon. But yeah, guys, that's it. That's just me showing my my crypto journey on GG. Okay, just giving updates and tell you what's going on. Okay, so if you decided to jump in on GG, I'm gonna leave the links in the description. Make sure we always read the docs, check the price charts, and make sure you're happy with everything before you jump in. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just me sharing my crypto journey with y'all, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. I'm out.